Hey everybody, it's me, Christy B. Woohoo! Today, I'm going to do my first ever bloom on a canvas. I've done it on a canvas board. Kinda impressed, but let's see what I can do. So we're going to do my mother's red, white, and blue one because she just wants one for her porch. There's our blue, our red, and I can't put my white. Oh, and this is Barn Red by Porridge Posse with a little unicorn spit in it. And this is the blue unicorn spit with some Grumbacher Ultramarine. Add some gold. And a little bit of white. Oh, the gold was Arteza's Aztec gold and some of this folk art gold mixed in. I love the sheen this one yeah, words are easy. Puts off. And this is Heavenly Satin by Primary Elements. Now my cell activators. Oh, this gold doesn't have that in it. This gold that I made a CA has it in it. Give me a good little puddle. Then I'm gonna add some black cell activator, of course, Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam black paint. Try the blow dryer here. Should move them out of the way, huh? So I guess we'll wait a minute, see what that one does. I'm gonna start another one. About here. Blue. At least my red didn't turn pink. That's been my biggest fear with this one. Hope you guys are watching it develop. That is so cool. Oh, bubble. Can't be having bubbles. I'll make this one a biggin. I don't know what think about that gold cell activator. I mean, I'm loving the cells. I'm loving the results. Thanks, Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. This is your recipe. So, let's cross our fingers. Took me a long time to get the recipe just right. And it was aggravating at first, but I got it done. Well, I've got it there. I don't know that it's as good as everybody else's, but... Oh, I put that on the red. If I get pink, I'm not going to be happy. So maybe we'll try the black cell activator. And then the gold. Alright, grab the blow dryer again. Try not to dump my paints again. Oh, I should have. I almost said something I shouldn't have done anyway, which I'm glad I didn't. Torch the bubbles. Alright. Oh, did I stick it in it? I did. Oh, my pull button popped out. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Going off the side with you. Let it come back in. See what we got. Oh, there was some cool cells pop up in the middle of that. I don't think it looks very patriotic, because here my red turned pink. Come on, develop. Alright, let's make the third one. I think I'm going to make a third one. And the blue is really getting lost, and right there it's purple. So it's not very patriotic looking. That's what I was going for. I think there's a clump right there. Maybe I'll put blue in 2 layers. That way there's 2 layers between the red and the white. Blue again. Now the regular pouring medium gold. And just a little bit of this heavenly whites primary element. Right in the red. Alright. So which one do we think's better? Gold first or black first? I think gold first. Okay, so this is my gold cell activator. Oh, that was a big clump. That's some black cell activator. And here we go. Give it a blow. Come on. Now I'm getting purple. Oh, I dipped it right in there. It made a cool effect. What happened there? All right. I think they look nothing like flowers. First off, gotta quit sticking my blow dryer in the paint. I mean, I'm liking the cells. Oh, let go. Those are some big cells up there. Open this stuff up. Want to see your beautiful cells. I like that one. This one's my favorite. Oh, there I go painting my apron again. Definitely did not turn out patriotic at all. I have to do a swipe. think my house paint is drying on me. Oh gee. I think it's very pretty. Not what I was hoping for. But maybe we'll do a red, white, and blue swipe next. These colors are really cool though. And we've always known that red and white in the same painting normally make pink. Look at that blue lacing around there. Really want this to move some. Come on. That's it. Oh, that looks cool right in there. The lacing. Alrighty then. Just wish this would move faster, but it's definitely not. This is very, very pretty. I don't know what I did here that I messed up, but it looks really cool. So I think it'll stay. Alright, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, leave me a thumbs up. Definitely leave me a comment under the video. And I hope you have a great day. I'm going to try this a different way. Later. Alright guys, let me give you a close-up of this one. Look at the sparkle. Very pretty. Very, very pretty and shiny. It's amazing what that heavenly white does. Well, and I guess the unicorn spit. Oh, I got a nice gray water spot there. I'll have to cover that up. It's not a big deal. There's the big cells at the edge. Some little baby cells. Look at that one. That one is beautiful. Just beautiful. This is the one I like the most. This one. It's very pretty. Very cool. Results. I like it. I think it's gorgeous. Well, come on, zoom out far enough so we can see. Alright guys. Have a good one.